everybody, welcome to my Crochet Nook. My name's Linda and today we are going to be picking the winner for December's giveaway. I want to thank you all for entering and welcome to all my new subscribers, and yeah, so I'll just run through what the winner is going to receive. So the winner is going to receive some of this Sapphire Spirit. You're going to get some crochet hooks with a couple of stitch markers, a notepad and a pen, and you're going to get 4 of these Sapphire Spirit. They're let me see, there's 50 grams in each, so you've got 200 grams, which is about 840 meters. So yeah, so you'll be able to make yourself something with this. So it's 56% cotton and 44% acrylic. So I'm going to turn you round to the computer and let's pick a winner, shall we? Okay, so as you can see, I've put the URL in. I've filtered for duplicate users and I've added the word Sapphires. So let's move down to get how many comments we've got. 215 unique comments. So let's go down and pick the winner. Good luck, everybody. Camper 14. So she let's just check to make sure she's a subscriber. And channels, and I'm just going to stop here because I don't want to share everybody that she's subscribed to. And there I am, guys. So congratulations to Camper 14. I've never used Sapphire's brand yarn. I heard mention how nice this yarn is and would love to make something with it. Well, you will be definitely making something with it, Camper 14. Congratulations. So congratulations, Camper 14. If you email me at this email address, I will get your prize sent out to you in the new year. I want to thank everybody for participating in all of 2021's giveaways. There will be more next year. I'm just only sorry that I can only share so much with you once a month. But hey ho, that's the way it is. And you never know, you've got to be in it to win it. Just want to say as well, if you do subscribe, if you take part in anybody's giveaways, you must make sure that you are actually subscribed to my channel or anybody's channel, but also that we can see that you're subscribed to us. And on that note, I hope you all have a wonderful rest of 2021, and let's hope that 2022 is a better one than this year. Take care, stay safe, but more importantly, guys, be kind to you. Bye for now.